This morning we walked around in the rain trying to find a bus stop. Finally, we found it. The bus cost $2.25 and took about an hour. Horseshoe Bay is where the ferry leaves from. The ferry goes to Departure Bay in Nanaimo. It costs $11.50. It took about an hour and a half. It was a cool ferry. There were lots of different places to sit, cafes, and a shop. This was the kind of ferry I was imagining when we took the ferry to Hokkaido. We had to wait for a couple of hours in Nanaimo for the bus, so we went to a bar. It was packed with people. There was some kind of event on called a silent auction. They had wireless internet, which was cool. We took the Island Link bus from Nanaimo to Courtenay. It took about an hour and a half. The bus driver was really cool. It was still raining when we got to Courtenay, but the driver was nice and he dropped us off pretty close to our accommodation. This is our room. I like it.